Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to set a stop loss on Bullx 2024 step by step. So let's get started. So first off, you just have to have a Bullx or a Telegram so that you could connect to the Bullx. So once you have that, you could go to Bullx.io and you could have a account in here. Now, if you want to set loss in this Bullx, so you just have to go to Pump Vision. And as you can see in here, you could see the new creations about to graduate and the graduated ones. Now, just click someone. As you can see in here, you could see its limit. And if you want to set loss, you should just click sell. Just click the amount and fill the amount. Just fill the amount that you wanted, and if you want to limit it, it depends on you. As you can see in here, and it will, as you can see, it will readjust the graph in here. And once that's done, as you can see, you could click this enable, and once that's done, that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.